Hey there, game developers and enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Unity, one of the most popular game design engines out there. Like any tool, Unity has its strengths and weaknesses, so let's break it down in a pro-con fashion. One of the standout features of Unity is its user-friendly interface. This is accomplished with its drag-and-drop functionality and the visual scripting system. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, the intuitive design makes it easy to navigate and bring your ideas to life. It allows for quick prototyping and experimentation, crucial in the dynamic world of game design. Unity excels in cross-platform development. With a single codebase, you can deploy your game on various platforms like PC, mobile, consoles, and more. This not only saves time, but also broadens your game's reach to a wider audience. Unity's asset store is a treasure trove for developers. Need a character model, sound effects, or even a complete environment? The asset store has you covered. It streamlines the development process, allowing you to focus on what matters, creating a great game. Utilizing the asset store can be a very cost-effective method compared to developing your own assets from scratch. Unity boasts a vibrant community. Whether you're a rookie or facing a complex issue, chances are someone has been there, done that. The extensive documentation, tutorials, online community, and forums provide valuable resources, making problem-solving a collaborative and efficient experience. While Unity is versatile, some developers have raised concerns about performance, especially in resource-intensive projects. Optimizing large-scale games can be challenging, and developers may need to invest additional time and effort to fine-tune performance. For smaller or simpler games, performance might not be a significant issue. While Unity offers a free version, serious developers may find themselves facing licensing costs, especially for more advanced features and larger revenue-generating projects. It's essential to consider the financial implications, especially for indie developers on a tight budget. While Unity is beginner-friendly, mastering advanced features can present a steeper learning curve. Some developers might find it challenging to grasp the intricacies of more complex systems, which could slow down the development process for certain projects. While Unity is a powerhouse for 3D game development, some developers argue that it introduces unnecessary complexity when working on 2D projects. Whether you're a hobbyist or professional, Unity's strengths in user-friendliness, cross-platform capabilities, and a thriving community make it a formidable choice. However, it's important to weigh these benefits against potential challenges, such as performance concerns and licensing costs. Remember, the best engine for your game ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and happy game designing. Loved your company on this gaming ride. Your support lets us share our passion and build connections. No paid ads or sponsors, just pure gaming. Hit subscribe to keep the fun rolling. You're the fuel, we're the engine. Until next time, game on. Ingenious out.